In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance at the top, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks, a card where you can spend your balance, and peer-to-peer payments. One of the biggest fundamentals of this app is the cash balance. So you can add money to your cash balance from your bank, and you can withdraw money from your cash balance and send that to your bank. So this cash balance is the back and forth to your bank. And then you can use this cash balance to do things within Cash App like add money to your savings, buy Bitcoin, buy stocks, etc. So note that I have $16 in my cash balance. It also shows there in the bottom left of the screen. So let's hop to the Bitcoin section. You can see I already own about $249 of Bitcoin. Bitcoin current price is $66,477. We have some different chart views here if you want to look at like 1 day, 1 month, 1 year, and see what's happening. You can also drag your finger along this line to get more information. So what we want to do is buy Bitcoin. So I want to tap buy. And this is going to spend my cash balance. I could do any of these pre-selected amounts or tap the 3 dots and type my amount. So I want to do $15, tap next. It's going to scan my face and it's going to give me some order details. So you're going to notice that I have a small fee here. Basically, the larger amount that you purchase, the lower your fee is going to get. But it's going to show me the estimated amount of Bitcoin and everything that I'll get. I'm going to tap confirm. And just like that, I've purchased more Bitcoin. Tap done. We can see in the bottom left, my cash balance is $1 now. So I spent $15 on Bitcoin and my Bitcoin balance has increased here. Using this button next to the buy and sell buttons, I could send my Bitcoin somewhere else if I want. If I want to send it to another user, I can do that. If I want to send it to another one of my wallets, I can do that. If I want to receive Bitcoin from someone else, I can just tap receive and it's going to give me an address or a QR code for them to scan. Now, if I want to sell Bitcoin, all I need to do is tap the sell button. It's going to give me some pre-selected amounts, but I'm just going to sell $1 for this video example. Tap next. It's going to scan my face and give me order details again. There's a 3% fee on this, but like I said, if you sell larger quantities, the fee is going to be much lower. Let's test that actually. I'll type in 100 and we'll see if it's still a 3% fee. You can see the fee dropped to 2.25%. Close that out. Type $1 again, tap next. So yeah, the higher amount you sell, the lower percentage your fee is going to be. But let's tap confirm for this example. You sold that much Bitcoin, tap done. I now have a little bit less Bitcoin. And once I sell, that money goes to my cash balance. You can see $2 in the bottom left. If we go back here, there's now $2 in my cash balance. So buying takes from your cash balance, selling adds to your cash balance. And then you can transfer that to your bank if you wish to do so. If you want to learn more about Cash App and these other features, definitely check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.